Ja, want maar lost op. Anyone home? Hello? That triangle is where we are. Hey, goodness made it. Wheel spit. Wheel spit. Yeah. I am such a bellend. Oh my soul. Crumbs. So I didn't record us leaving Sutherland this morning because I had my GoPro on night lapse mode type shit because I wanted to get a night lapse of the stars and I didn't. I'm such an idiot. Anyway, bit of an update. We left Sutherland at around 10 o'clock this morning. We wanted to go our normal route. Yes, I like it. I like it. Go, old chap, just go slowly. Or go up there if you want to. I'm gonna go up there.
That way, yeah.
Yeah, I went that way. Along the side.
No.
Go, it's just mud.
No.
You're not gonna melt.
Huh?
Go.
No, I think you're going that lane, no.
That's hilarious. So we left Sutherland this morning. And oh no, did we? We wanted to go on one route, but it was a lot of the cars were on it, and it was very dusty, so we weren't actually wanted to do it. So then we decided to turn around and head past the observatory. And this road has been quite entertaining. There's been oh no, which way do I go? There's been some like thickish sand where my dad fell over, which was flippin' hilarious. So there was that, and yeah, that's pretty much everything that's been happening. This road is pretty cool. There's some like really deep sand sections which is quite fun. This is the nice thing about my 650, it's so light, so I can just pin it through there. My dad's on his 1200, so that one, if things go squirrely, you must be prepared to either try hold it up or pin it through. But yeah, so far so good. Everything's been going sick. It's quite dusty and windy as well. So there's a gate up ahead. What? Oh. Right. So I'll try and explain to you exactly where we planned to go. So pretty much we started in Sutherland and then went this way all the way through to where we think we are now. But the problem is if you follow this road all the way, it pretty much goes to nothing. So we don't know if this is the road because as soon as you just put GPS on and see where we are, this is the road that leads to nowhere, or technically on the map. So yeah, that's so that's currently what's going on right now. So we're just trying to see where exactly this goes to, and then we're just gonna chill because I mean it's like 1 o'clock now, and it was only like 130 kilometers to Williston. So it's not like we have quite a long way to go. But I mean, look at this. We've just been riding on gravel roads that are a bit boring, and now we get cool stuff like this, dude. I'm happy. Wow, it's quite a trick to switch on your GoPro with one hand whilst trying to navigate through stuff like this. Oh, dude, this is like mild enduro sections. I like this. We've got some sand over here. I like it. Oh, 1200. Oh, that bike is so heavy. Alright, so there's a road up there. 안녕. That road goes up there, check. My bike's getting quite hot now. It's like half. My bike never gets hot. Nog 'n venstertjie because there's a big house there. Maybe we'll get shot over there. Yes, that's a big hole.
Yeah, mine's also on. Mine just came on too. There by that house.
That road looks like it comes up at the top there. Oh, is it? Oh no. Shit, the gate's locked. On a scale of 1 to 5, how lost or fucked? So there's a house down there that we're gonna try and walk to and hopefully not get either shot or eaten by a big dog. Got pepper spray in case. I'm gonna run because I'm faster than you because you're fat. And then gonna ask them if we can go through because that gate's locked. So we'll see how well that goes. No, dude, even if he left us in here, there's no donkeys around here. There's sheep inside. Yeah, I don't see anyone here.
Anyone home? Hello?
Ah, dude, but fuck it.
So fuck now, dude.
Oh, we'll just open up that gate and then come through, and then if someone comes out, because they'll hear my bike first before they hear everyone else's. Hopefully the sheep don't bloody follow us all the way back home.
Anyone home?
Ah, dude, come. Let's just open up that gate.
You go call it there, but
Dude, there's no one here. We have done so well. So the thing is, this gate is locked and we don't want to like cut open the fence and go all the way because that looks like a jeep track, and we're worried that once we go through we go up there and then this leads to nothing. So we still have some time, even though we were meant to be in Williston already. We're gonna backtrack. Oh, my stand's out. And then see, my stand's not out. And then see which way we can go. That was weird. Dude, I took my drone up in efforts to try and see if I could see a road. Once I got to like 500 meters and the wind's pumping. The wind's not like, dude, the wind is blowing. As I got to like 500 meters, the GPS signal decided to go, oh no fam, I don't want to control you no more. And then as soon as that goes, the drone literally does like flick flacks. This is what, you can't control it. And then it ended up down there, and then I was pooing. I'm like, oh, Papa drone, I'm gonna have to go walk in the bushes to find it. Dude, I've never done evasive maneuvers so much before in my life. But I'm still enjoying the day. Shit. Okay, so we're gonna go back now and then see if we can see a faster way. We might go to like Frasenburg first and then to Williston. So we'll see. Woo! This section here is gonna be fun. Did I go the right way? Check these guys, they just leave me, dude. Ha! It's a nice thing about this bike, it's so nice and light, dude. Hey, goodness made it to. Ooh, dirty. That is some thick ass sand. Oh wait, I need to remember that I don't really have a bash guard. So if I hit a rock, then cheers oil.
Eventually.
Right, So we've gone all the way back to the main gravel road. And I think we're just gonna go straight to Fraserburg. Hey, there's oaks on scooters on this gravel road. No way, dude, that is so sick. Dude. Dude, that's the best. There's like scooters on this. That is, my day is made. That's what I want to do one day as well. So at least we've done a day trip though, so there's that. We're gonna head to Fraserburg now. I'm not too sure how far it is because the GPS doesn't work, as there is absolutely no signal, but I don't think it's that far. Dude, check how sick this is. These are a bunch of scooters, dude. Check these, like this, like 6 of them that have already passed us, and here's another 3. Dude, this is so sick, dude. Dude, they're all running on roads. Those are all like 125s. Dude, that is the best.
82 kilometers later.
Oh, sweet tar road. It is so flippin' windy, dude. We stuffed up so very hard. So we meant to be in Williston, and now we're in. Let's just listen what the plan is. How far is it to Williston? Huh? I can do it, but I'll probably be on reserve. Huh? Ah. Yeah. So it's about, oh my back, it's about 90 kilometers to Williston. Jeez, like it. I have currently 316 kilometers. I can make it. The thing is, I'll be on reserve, and knowing I'll like probably do something stupid and get lost, I'm just joking. So we're gonna try and find a gas station, petrol station, it's not America, and see if we can maybe try and find one that's open, but I highly doubt it since today is Tuesday and it's a public holiday, so I'm not too sure how well this is going to go. I think it might, yes, it's open, thank goodness. What? Oh, my everything is sore, dude. Right. Now to try and find our accommodation. I actually forgot where we're staying. It would really help if this place had an actual name. Because all we're looking for is House 24. And we can't find it. 25 Tranquil. Okay, I gather that this is the place. Sick. 4 years later.
We have to eat some chop spice.
Pig.